Hi, I'm Justin with Access Unlimited. Today I'm going to go over a glide and go in a Dodge Ram Promaster. Most of these are all the same. This one happens to be a 2022 Dodge Promaster, but the generation hasn't really changed, so it should fit almost any Dodge Ram Promaster up to current right now. This also fits into and was designed for a Winnebago Solace with swivel seats. This Promaster does not have swivel seats, however, it will fit anything and not interfere with any of the swivel seats for the Dodge Ram Promaster or Winnebago Solace. So there's a couple things I want to go over with this. First, everything bolts into the factory locations of the vehicle. There is one spot that has to have holes drilled into it, and that's this B-pillar spot. This is just a test vehicle, so we haven't cut back the weather stripping here, but it would have to be cut back, and this inner part would be removed so that can sit up in there. So you've got the two factory bolts that are still used right there. Nothing's changed there. You have the pendant right up here. It's attached to the B-pillar there. It's got a button here that engages and disengages it electrically. If the button's pressed down, the glide and go will function. If it is up, it won't. So then down here, you've got a cap here. This is the motor. There is a emergency release right here. You can operate the lift if you happen to lose power for any reason with a 1/2-inch socket right there. We do send a emergency release tool for that. Also, we'll go over some stuff up here. So we've got our handle here with an adjustable nut on it, and our seat, which also has adjusters here for different heights. This does go pretty high overall. You can actually transfer, you can get the glide and go high enough to where it will transfer where you're almost doing a downward transfer in from the glide and go into the seat. And then if you stop the glide and go early when you're exiting, you can actually also have a downward transfer, and that makes it easier for a lot of people. You can also see the transfer height is very low in this one, and the handle was specifically designed for the seat and having the ability to go right down here in this stepwell. Run this up. Gotta push the button there. Like I said, this is where you're actually higher than the seat. You can transfer down, and then if you're coming out and you need to transfer down, you can do that also this way. Like I said too, there is an adjustable screw right here, so if you need this higher, you can increase the height, you can lower it. You can put quite a bit of weight on that when you're transferring in and it's pretty solid overall right there. So that is everything for this. Check out our other videos in the description on how you enter and exit this.